Have you ever felt like you're being tossed around by the waves of life, completely at the mercy of things you can't control? A stressful job, difficult relationships, or just the constant barrage of bad news? It's exhausting, right? But what if I told you that you could build an untouchable fortress inside your own mind? A place of calm and strength that no external event could ever breach. This isn't some fantasy. It's a 2,000-year-old philosophy from one of history's greatest leaders, the Roman Emperor Marcus Aurelius. He called it the Inner Citadel. Marcus Aurelius wasn't just a philosopher writing in a comfortable study. He was an emperor ruling a massive empire, dealing with plagues, wars, and political backstabbing. Yet, through it all, he maintained his composure and wisdom. How? By practicing Stoicism and building his mental fortress. Today, we're going to learn how you can build your very own inner citadel using 3 of his most powerful principles. The first foundational block is understanding the power of perception. Marcus wrote, "You have power over your mind, not outside events. Realize this, and you will find strength." This is revolutionary. It's not the event itself that upsets us, but our judgment about it. Getting stuck in traffic isn't inherently bad. It's our reaction. This is a disaster. My whole day is ruined. That creates suffering. The traffic is just traffic. By changing your perception, you change your reality. Instead of seeing it as a catastrophe, you could see it as a few extra minutes to listen to your favorite podcast or just breathe. The event hasn't changed, but your experience of it has, completely. This is the first key to your citadel. You are the gatekeeper of your thoughts. Next, we have the most practical tool in the Stoic toolkit, the dichotomy of control. It's simple but life-changing. Some things are within our control, and some are not. What's in our control? Our thoughts, our judgments, our actions, our responses. What's not in our control? Pretty much everything else. The weather, the economy, what other people think of us, traffic. The Stoics say that all our anxiety and frustration come from trying to control the uncontrollable. Think about how much energy you waste worrying about things you can do absolutely nothing about. The secret is to ruthlessly focus your attention and energy only on what you can control. Someone is rude to you. You can't control their behavior, but you can control how you respond. Will you let it ruin your day, or will you choose to let it go, recognizing it's their problem, not yours? This disciplined focus protects your inner peace. It's like posting a guard at the gate of your citadel who only lets in what truly matters and is yours to manage. Finally, we bring it all together to maintain our inner fortress. Building the citadel is one thing. Living in it is another. This requires daily practice. Marcus Aurelius did this through journaling, what we now call his meditations. Every morning, he prepared himself for the day, reminding himself he would meet with difficult people, but that their actions couldn't harm his character. Every evening, he reflected on his actions, seeing where he lived up to his principles and where he could improve. This isn't about being perfect, it's about consistent effort. It's about meditating on these principles, reminding yourself of the power of your perception and the dichotomy of control. When chaos erupts, you consciously retreat into your citadel. You take a breath. You observe the situation without immediate judgment. You ask yourself, what part of this is in my control? And then you act with virtue and wisdom on that part alone. So, the inner citadel isn't a place you go to hide from the world. It's a source of strength that allows you to engage with the world more effectively and peacefully. It's built stone by stone with every conscious choice to manage your perception, every moment you focus on what you can control, and every day you practice self-reflection. You don't need to be an emperor to build it. You just need to begin. Start today. The next time you feel overwhelmed, pause. Ask yourself, is this in my control? How can I choose to see this differently? With each question, you're laying another brick in your very own fortress of tranquility. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful in your journey to find inner peace, consider subscribing for more wisdom from ancient philosophy. See you in the next video.